Seasonal readiness is part of our overall emergency preparedness efforts.
It's a team that works across the health authority at helping Fraser Health prepare ourselves as the health system and our communities for seasonal events that could threaten our health.
Coming together to talk about what each season brings to the potential risks to our organization and our communities.
How best we can prepare for emergencies, and we know we have a great opportunity in between emergencies to put our time together to good use for planning to make sure that we're prepared in the event of something happening.
Supply chain was this part that nobody really recognized before the pandemic, so now there's this big focus on preparing and making sure that we have stuff ready as we head into summer seasons and winter.
Things like heat, smoke, extreme cold events, it basically helps us be really well prepared for these.
The reason why I really wanted this team to be recognized is the fact that the collaborative nature of it. It really is programs and teams from all across Fraser, be them in the community or in the acute setting, or if it's our facilities teams. We all come together with the same focus and the same goal. We've now been together for 4 years and just to celebrate the successes that we've had.
It's a very large collaborative, and we're truly drawing on all those operational teams, from public health to primary care to the acute world to long-term care to home health. All of these particular areas where previously we might not have come together as a collaborative.
Seasonal readiness, you need everyone to be involved. So many different teams that you're working with, so it's really nice to see everyone's different perspectives. Our part in support services is really to make sure we're not impacting patient care. We just want to make sure that everyone can do their job properly and that the patients have the proper outcome.
Our team has had the great honor and privilege of connecting directly with Indigenous communities who have been impacted, to know that the work that we collaboratively are doing to support those communities in their community close to home in a way that feels safe and culturally appropriate for them truly means everything.
We know that when we collaborate, we can do better. You know, in 2021, we saw a lot of really tragic outcomes from some of the events that we experienced. So the heat dome, the atmospheric river, and the floods in Abbotsford. I think one of the important pieces of having a group like this is that then when those new events do happen, we have a framework we can fall back on to collaborate.
Our ability to plan for these types of things has been a central focus of our Seasonal Readiness Committee, and it's been the wonderful work of our operations teams in taking this information and considering how it impacts their individual programs, and then applying plans that will help them address those impacts.
If we don't plan and prepare and practice, we will not be able to continue to provide our services that are needed across the region if any of these events occur.